Are you dreaming of owning a home in Stewartville, Minnesota, but you're really unsure where to begin? If you're captivated by its welcoming community, affordable living, and the chance to enjoy a slower pace of life just minutes away from Rochester, Minnesota, this video is your go-to guide. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and today we're going to dive into everything you need to know for a successful purchase of a home in Stewartville. From navigating the housing market to understanding the buying process, I have got you covered. And stick around until the end because I have a special bonus tip that could actually save you thousands in the long run. So let's get started. Let's begin with an overview of the Stewartville housing market. The average list price for a home there is around $358,000, but homes actually sell for closer to $286,000. So this price difference makes Stewartville an attractive choice for buyers seeking more value for their money. It's a great place to get a lot of house for your dollar compared to some nearby areas. And the first step in your journey is to get pre-approved for your mortgage. This not only sets a clear budget for you, but it also positions you as a very serious buyer to the sellers. So once you're pre-approved, you're ready to start exploring available homes. And partnering with a knowledgeable local agent like the ones at Domaille Real Estate can make all the difference. We understand the nuances of the Stewartville market and can help you find a home that really fits your needs and your budget. So before you dive into house hunting, there are a few factors that you need to consider. While Stewartville has a charming small town feel, it may not offer the same variety of entertainment options that you might find in a larger city. So if dining out, live performances, or cultural events are high on your list, you might find yourself making that short little drive into Rochester. Employment opportunities in Stewartville are somewhat limited as well, so many residents commute into Rochester or other surrounding areas for work. So if that's part of your plan, it's really worth factoring in the time and cost of commuting as well. And let's not forget that the Minnesota winters, they can be a little long and cold, so if you're not a fan of snow and ice, be prepared. On the plus side, winter sports enthusiasts will find plenty of ways to stay active and entertained. Now let's talk about the specific steps in the home buying process in Stewartville. Start by checking your credit score. This score is going to influence your mortgage rate and your borrowing power. So you can get your free credit report annually from TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, and make sure to review it so that you're checking for errors that might affect your overall score. A higher credit score, typically 720 or above, can actually qualify you for better interest rates, potentially saving you thousands over the life of your loan. And if you need help improving your score, Domaille Real Estate can connect you with local financial experts. Next, determine your budget. Use a home affordability calculator to get a sense of what you can afford based on your income, your debts, and your down payment. And be realistic about what features are essential versus those that are just really nice to have or that you want. For instance, do you need a dedicated home office or a large backyard? Knowing your priorities will really help you keep your search focused and efficient. And finding the right real estate agent, again, is crucial. An experienced agent is going to be able to provide invaluable insights into that local market and the trends. And they're going to help you craft competitive offers and negotiate on your behalf. And at Domaille Real Estate, we guide you through every step, ensuring that you're well informed and you're confident throughout the whole process. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is a must before you go house hunting. This step not only sets a clear price range for your search, but it also signals to sellers that you are a very committed buyer. We can recommend trusted lenders and ensure that you're equipped to make a competitive offer when you find the right home. Now comes the exciting part, starting your home search. While browsing online listings is a really good start, working with Domaille Real Estate means that you're going to receive tailored recommendations that fit your specific needs. We'll handle scheduling showings and help you evaluate each property based on your specific criteria. Be prepared to be flexible because sometimes your wish list might evolve as you get a better sense of what's really available. And once you've found your dream home, it's time to make that offer, and we're going to assist in determining a fair price based on a detailed market analysis of what else has sold in the area. Our team is going to guide you through the offer process, ensuring that all the necessary contingencies are in place and helping you negotiate terms that protect your interests. Scheduling a home inspection is a critical step before closing. An inspection will identify any potential issues with the property, and that allows you to negotiate repairs or even reconsider your offer if major problems arise. It's a small investment that can save you significant headaches down the road. And even if you're pre-approved, you're going to need to finalize your mortgage. This involves submitting detailed financial documents to your lender and making sure to respond promptly to avoid any delays in the closing. Your Domaille real estate agent will help you navigate this process and find the best financial options for your situation. Before closing, don't forget to secure homeowners insurance. This protects your brand new investment and is typically required by all lenders. So if you're unsure where to start, again, we can recommend reputable providers to help you find the right coverage. Closing day is the final step to make your dream the reality. You'll sign the necessary paperwork, you're going to pay for your closing costs, and receive the keys to your brand new home. And we'll ensure the process is smooth and stress-free so that you can focus on settling into your new space. Now, for the bonus tip that I promised, timing your purchase around the seasonal market trends can be a game changer. The winter months in Stewartville often have less competition from other buyers, which can give you a little bit more negotiating power. Sellers listing in colder months are typically more motivated, so you may find better deals. And work closely with your local real estate agent to identify properties that are priced to sell and be ready to move quickly when a great opportunity comes up. Buying a home in Stewartville is not just about investing in real estate, it's about finding a place to truly call home. With its affordable housing, beautiful surroundings, and its proximity to Rochester, Stewartville offers a unique blend of small town charm with modern convenience. So if you'd like to know more about buying a home in Stewartville, Minnesota, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on these future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see our other videos too. If you make any comments or have any questions down below, I will make sure to answer them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and we love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.